Come here, Haas.
My hair is wonky.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What are you goofing about?
Because you're roofing my hair everywhere.
Griffin?
Yeah.
Welcome back to yet another episode of the Prime build, as we are calling it. The 2016 Subaru WRX that we are building for my brother Cameron. Let's head in the shop and take a look at how the car is currently looking. It's looking really good. We got a ways to go, but she's coming along. Coming? Ugh, Bobby's out there freaking doing her hair. Here she is, guys. She's looking all right. Don't worry about that bumper. It's not bolted on. Bam, bam, bam. Got a whole lot of stock parts and you still got more parts to put on. What? So far we've done, you wanna get in on this? The Windjet fog lights, the Swift springs, Grimspeed catback exhaust, NQ wheels, Continental tires, Rally Armor mud flaps. We've done quite a bit to this car so far, but there's a few pretty dope things we have left planned for this build before we surprise Cameron with the car. What are you thinking of it? You liking how it's coming out?
Yeah, I love it.
Looks good?
Yeah, I think the headlights are going to be like...
I haven't even told them that we're doing headlights today.
Oh, I just ruined the surprise.
Bobby spilled the beans. What we're doing today is installing a really nice set of, I guess you call them like black housing sea lights. Huge shout out to Unique Style Racing for sending over these headlights. They're absolutely gorgeous. We'll get them unboxed here in a minute. They are the Depot brand, but they are supplied to us by Unique Style Racing. I'll have them linked down below. I also do have a discount code, which is DVN10, so DVN10. I'll have it on the screen. Guys, go on their website, save 10% off anything on there with my discount code. And remember to always full sned. Gotta get the good old heater fired up. Bobby's complaining about how cold it was. I think it's warm.
I'm freezing.
Oh, that was a big one.
I know, I told you to be careful, babe.
Got my finger on that one.
Really?
Hell yeah.
Well, maybe if you did it the right way.
This is the right way.
No, it's not.
Should I use the torch?
Yes.
Oh. It's like 20 degrees out probably, but this thing puts out so much freaking heat, it's crazy. I got that for like $60 at Harbor Freight, and it's well worth it. That along with the wood stove.
Sponsored by Harbor Freight?
Sponsored by Harbor Freight, I wish. Not really.
Oh.
It's pretty lit.
It's great for wrapping stuff.
Yeah, it's good for wrapping stuff. Are you hinting at something?
I am.
Could I honor you in getting the goods?
Can you honor me, or should I honor you?
Would you like to honor the YouTube channel by getting the goods?
Of course.
Oh damn, those are nice. Those are sick.
They're huge.
What? These are dope. That looks really good. So here is the stock headlight. Ooh boy, look how black it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, I guess we're gonna see, but I'm pretty sure that whole thing lights up. On these ones it doesn't. Yeah,
oh,
STIs do, but WRXs don't, but I think these Depot ones do.
I hope so.
Yeah, that'd be really nice. Just that sea light along with the independent fog lights you put in, that looks so good.
I could install this in like 5 minutes.
You tripping, dog. So one of the most important things that I always forget when I'm putting new headlights in a car is the headlight aim. So the low beam aim. As you can see right now, we have the low beams on, just so I can see where the cutoff is. The cutoff literally is right on this line right here. So when I put the new headlights in, we got the aim them, and I'm gonna throw that cutoff right on that line as well. First thing to do when removing headlights off this car, we have to pull the bumper off. The bumper's already unbolted on this thing. Basically there was like 5 bolts on top, a few clips on bottom, clips on the side, the bumper comes off. We have it unbolted because we just did the fog light install.
You wanna go turn off the lights?
Looks like, where'd you go? Just like that. Do you want to do it, or do you want me to put the headlight on?
You can do the first, I'll do the second.
Okay. All we should need, hopefully, is a 10mm socket on my little impact bolt here. Pop that guy off. Pop that off. There's a clip. 2 bolts right here. One here, one here. Another one of these clips. Looks like 2 bolts up front. Oh no, I almost lost the bolt. There's probably gonna be some wiring on the backside. Good to go. Look at that difference. That is old grandma Outback style. That is Subaru STI Off-Road Rally Edition. People are probably gonna think I'm serious when I say that. So since Cameron has LEDs in these headlights right here, stock ones, I'm just gonna swap them over real quick. It's literally freaking unplug it and plug it back in. Unplug that guy, I'm gonna plug it in. Like that. All right, are you ready?
Here you go.
Let's stand back for action. Oh, game changer. That looks so much better. Damn, boy. Boy. That's sick. That looks so freaking good. Are you kidding me? Should we see how far off the headlight aim is? Oh yeah, it's pretty far down there.
And the whole thing doesn't light up.
It doesn't? Oh, it's better than before.
Yeah.
I was really hoping that this whole sea light would light up. Unfortunately, it doesn't. The headlight beam, for the height of it, if you want to just make it go up or down, is a screw right here, guys. This adjustment screw right here, that causes the low beam to go up or down. So, yeah. The headlight's done. Tell me what you think. That's it? No words? Speechless. Night and day.
Night and day, game changer.
I have one thing to say. If it's 2019 and when you're watching this video and you still have chrome headlights, you gotta rethink your life, bro. Check this out. Look at that.
Just look at it.
Boy, old, new. Way different. It looks so funny with that chrome one. Send it hard. These tires are brand new. There's like all the silicone on them.
Are you for real?
Bobby's getting scared in there. You have to go back and kind of get a run at it. Let her rip. Oh, you're good. Keep that momentum going, boy. Oh, damn, she's thick. Here you go. See what you can do.
Do you just pull up on it?
Mm-hmm. Bobby thinks she's a professional mechanic. She's actually pretty smart, ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Oh, that works. Big booty Judy. Freaking flopping away. That is a pain in the ass, so I'll probably get that for you.
No, I got it.
You got it? You can get that? I can hardly get that shit.
Wait, what do you do? Just push down on it?
Yeah, it's just a clip. It's really crusty though.
Oh!
Ew. Poop.
Toss it in the garbage.
You want to put that bulb in?
Yeah.
Okay. So that, twist off.
Like this whole thing?
The whole thing. Other way.
Okay.
Okay, now disconnect it from the wiring.
You just push it down?
Mm-hmm. Huh. First down. Now grab that LED bulb over there. Yeah, that guy. And that twist in, just like the old one came out. There's only one way it can go. See how it's not going down all the way like that? Mm-hmm. Now you can twist it in. Alright, now just plug that wiring into there and you're done. You want to align the headlight now? It's kind of hard. I'll do it. And then you can tighten her up. How many Ugga Duggas? 2 Ugga Dugga? Headlights are done, looking absolutely amazing. That is probably one of the better upgrades we have done on this build so far. Wouldn't you agree?
I definitely agree.
I don't know, everything we've done is kind of sick. Night and day. Game changer.
Can you turn them on real quick?
Both good, yeah?
Looks really good.
Hell yeah, dog. Me nuts, me nuts.
You spit on me. Very aerodynamic car.
Lit. Alright. You want to end the video?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, go drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of the new depot headlights on this car. Once again, huge shout out to Unique Style Racing for sending these over. Discount code Devin Niemela 10 saves you 10% off anything on their website. I never showed them the fitment. Come here real quick. The fitment on these is like a 9.8 out of 10. There's a tiny gap right there, which you probably can't even see on camera.
You can't even like...
Yeah, they fit really good. We haven't obviously driven the car in the snow or the rain or anything, so I don't know if they leak. Hoping and praying that they don't, and I don't think they will. I've ran depot headlights quite a few times. They've always been fine. I'll have them linked down below. I'll have Unique Style Racing linked down below as well. Make sure you drop a comment letting us know, me and Bobby know, what you think of the new headlights. I think it looks really good. Black wheels, black headlights, or darker headlights. The tint. Next up, what we're doing, I'm just gonna tell you guys so you don't have to freaking wait around. We are gonna be wrapping the roof black on this car. It's gonna look absolutely insane. Hit that subscribe button down, just spit. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Stay tuned for when we go surprise Cameron with this car the day he gets out of the hospital. Just coming soon. Stay tuned. Peace out guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.